हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू रिचा मैम्स क्लास. This class is set for the revision of the chapter time. In the last two videos, we discussed the concept of time. What are the different ways to express the time, right? We express the time in hours, minutes, days, seconds, months, weeks, right? So, we learned how can we express the time. Second, how can we convert from one type of time into another type. Clear? Third, how can we calculate the duration. For how long did you study? For how long did you watch the TV? Correct? So, we learned these basic concepts of the time. Now we will practice the questions so that we will understand whether we know the concept or not. Clearly? Now, if these concepts are clear to you, start doing this question. And you will pause the video, do the question, then check whether your answer is correct or not. If it is wrong, then see the solution and learn. That is the only way to check your journey of time. Clear? Let's start. Now, the first question is saying, sort these times from shortest to longest. Okay, so there are different types of times are given to you. One is in second, then hours, then minutes, hours and minutes. You need to identify which one is shortest and which one is longest so that you can arrange them from shortest to longest. Okay, for doing this, the units should be same. That is the main concept. Whenever you are comparing anything, the units should be same. Like here, this one is in second and this one is in hours, so we can't compare them. For comparing, the unit should be same. As we can see in our question, it is easy to convert them in minutes because see, out of 6, 3 are in minutes. So we can convert the rest of them in the minutes only. Okay. Now for the first one. The first one is saying 45 seconds. Now we need to convert 45 seconds into minutes. How many minutes in a second? How will you find out? We know the relation between minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we need to find out how many minutes in 45 seconds. That means we are doing just reverse of that. So what will we need to do? We need to do the division because minutes are less and seconds are more. The number which comes with the second is always more the number which comes with the minute. So if we need a smaller number here, we need to do the division. So by which number we will divide? We will divide by 60. We will divide by 60. So 60 is dividing 45. Now we can see that this 45 is smaller than 60. So we can't divide it directly. We need to take the help of our friend. What is the name of the friend? Decimal. The decimal is our friend which gives us the power of 0. Clear? Decimal is our friend which gives us the power of 0. So how many times it will go? We will check. We will make the table of 60. So 65. 65s are 500. 5 6 are 30. Oh, it is smaller than 45. Okay. Now 60 multiplied by 6. 0 6 6 are 36. It is still smaller than 60 multiplied by 7. 42. Then 60 multiplied by 8. See, so 480 is bigger than 450, so we will go with the 7. ठीक है, 67s are 420 minus 5 minus 2 3, now again 0, 300, 65s are, so my answer is 0.75. So in place of 45 seconds we can write 0.75 minute. Clear? Now here in the B part, the B part is saying 0.5 hours. 0.5 hours. Who will tell me how can we convert it into the minutes? What do you mean by 0.5? 0.5 means, yes, very good, 1 by 2 hours. Clear? So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 upon 2 hours means we are dividing this 60 by 2. We are dividing this 60 by 2. 2 3s are 6. This 0 will go here, so that means 30 minutes. So this equal to 30 minutes. Clear? This is already in minutes. This is already in minutes. Now 1.5 hours. Now E part, 1.5 hours. What I told you, how can we do this? We will break it, we will expand it. So 1.5 can be written as 1 plus 0.5 hours. Clear? Now in 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. In 1 hour 60 minutes. And 0.5 hours we did it 30 minutes. So how many total minutes? 60 plus 30 gives you 90 minutes. So 1.5 hours is equal to 90 minutes. Now after seeing this you can see which one is the smallest. This one, 0.75. So this one is the smallest first. Then after 0.75, which one? 2.5 minutes. See, this is 30, this is 25, this is 90, this is 100. So this one is second. Then third, this. Then fourth, this. Then fifth, this. Then sixth, this. So what is my number? A, then C, then D, then B, then E, then F. Clear? This is my answer. Let's do one more question. A journey starts at 11:23. It ends at 13:15. Is the journey longer or shorter than 1.5 hours, and by how much? The question is saying a journey starts at 11:23, it ends at 13:15. So that means I need to find the interval, time interval. What I need to find out? I need to find out time interval. How much time I take for that journey. How much time I take for that journey. See, the question is saying a journey starts at 11:23. It ends at 13:15. Is the journey longer or shorter than 1.5 hours, and by how much? That means the journey starts at 11:23, ends at 13:15. So what we need to find out? We need to find out the duration of the journey. कितनी देर तुमने वो journey की. So the time interval. Okay. So you are starting your journey at 11:23. So from 23 to reach at the next number in the clock, from 23 what is the next number? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 is the number which is present in the clock. So in 2 minutes you can reach at 11:25. Clear? Now from 11:25 to 12:25, how much time? 1 hour. Clear? Now from 12:25 to 13, how much time will you take? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So you take 35 minutes to reach at 13. Clear? Now from 13 to 13:15, how much time? 15 minutes. So what is the total time you have taken? 1 hour is given to you. Now calculate your minutes. 35, 15, 2. 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 1 carry, 4 and 5, 52. That means total time duration. What was the total time duration? 1 hour 52 minutes. 1 hour 52 minutes. This was the time taken by you. But in the question it is saying, is it longer or shorter than 1.5 hours? Now tell me, in 1.5 hours, how can we write it? We can write it like 1 plus 0.5. Correct? That means 1 hour in 0.5 hours, how many minutes? In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So in 0.5 hour, 30 minutes. So your journey is longer or shorter than 1 hour 30 minutes? Longer. My journey is longer than this journey. So my duration is longer than 1.5 hours. Now it is saying by how much? See, 1 and 1 are same. By how much? I need to subtract this 30 from 52. This is the duration na, जो extra है. Correct? 2 minus 0, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. That means 22 minutes. My duration is longer than 1.5 hours. ठीक है? 22 minutes. It is longer. Clear? 22 minutes it is longer. Okay? Now the third one. Here are the times for some TV programs. So in the TV channel, there are so many TV programs in a channel. So from 11:20, a wildlife show has started and it ends at 12, because from the at the 12 there is a new show, question and answer session. So wildlife show, what is the time for wildlife show? 11:20 to 12. So now you need to calculate the time interval. 11:20 to 12. What will be the duration? It starts from the 20. It starts from the 20. So where do 20 lies? 20 lies here. So 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That means what is the duration? 40 minutes. The duration is 40 minutes. Clear? Now for the next one, question and answer. It starts from 12 and it ends at 13:15. Chalo. It starts from 12. So from 12 to 13, 1 hour. Correct? And after that, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So what is the duration? 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. Clear? Now for the music. Music starts 13:15 and it goes till 14:05. So first of all I need to reach 14. So from 13:15. 13:15 means 5, 10, 15. 13:15 to 14. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So what is the duration? 45 minutes. And after 45, you need to reach till 14:05, तो 5 more minutes. So कितना हो गया? 14 plus 5, 50 minutes. So for 15 minutes you will listen music live. Then the beautiful garden starts from 14:05 and ends at 15:30. तो 14:05 से 15:05, 1 hour again ends at 15:30. 15:30, तो 5 to 30, 5 is here. Take after the 30 lies at 6. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. Okay. So from here to here, how much time you will take? 25 minutes. That means 1 hour 25 minutes. 1 hour 25 minutes. Now for the art show. It starts from 15:30 and ends at 16:50. तो पहले कहाँ जाएंगे हम? 16:30. Very good. 1 hour. Now from 16:30, that means here 6. 50 is at 10. 5, 10, 15, 20. How many minutes? 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you will reach at 16:50. So what is the duration? 1 hour 20 minutes. Clear? Now the question is saying write down A, B, C, D, E in order of duration from shortest to longest. What is the shortest duration? See, 40 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes, and sorry, this one is here, 1 hour 20 minutes. So what do you think? Which one is shortest? Yes, wildlife show is the shortest, then music live, that means A, then C, A, C, D, E, D. Very good. A, C, B, E and D. Okay. Now the question is saying David has 120 minutes of his spare time to watch 2 programs, which 2 programs are exactly 120 minutes in total. What it means? What it means? The question is saying that you have 120 minutes, the David has 120 minutes to watch a program. So which 2 programs he can watch in 120 minutes? Which 2 programs he can watch in 120 minutes? So see, 120 minutes means what is the duration of that shows in hours? Because the answers which we found are in the combination of minutes and hours. So we need to convert this 120 minutes in hours. So 120 minutes has how many hours? 60 minutes has 1 hour. 60 minutes has 1 hour. So if you divide this 120 by 60, 0 and 0 get cancelled. 6 2s are 12. So 120 minutes has 2 hours. So that means we need to find 2 shows which are exactly of 2 hours. ये बात clear हो रही है? What the question is saying? Question is saying David need to watch TV for 120 hours. Okay. So which 2 shows has the duration of 120 minutes? But what I have calculated each duration in the combination of hours and minutes. So that means I have to convert this 120 into hours also. So my answer is 2 hours. So that means we need to find out which two shows has the duration of 2 hours. Clear? Now check it here. Now for the 2 hours, at least I have to take one of these 3 shows which has the duration 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay, let's take 1 hour 15 minutes. ठीक. Now I cannot take another 1 hour. क्यों? 1 hour plus 1 hour 2 hours and these minutes will be extra. So I have to choose one from the 1 hour and one from the minute show. Clear? So let's take B and A. The first show is 1 hour 15 minutes and the wildlife show is 40 minutes. So 40 plus 15. 40 plus 15. Will give you 55 minutes. That means it is less than 1 hour. Let's take 1 hour 20 minutes. That means art show plus wildlife show. So 20 plus 40 will give you 60 and 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1 hour has 60 minutes. So that means if David watch wildlife show and art show, the total duration will be of 2 hours. Clear? Because 40 minutes plus 1 hour 20 minutes will give you 1 hour 60 minutes and 60 minutes means 1 hour more, so that means 2 hours. Clear? Now practice some more questions from the book. We will see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.